Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the Your Phone app on Windows 10 and the link to Windows or your Phone Companion app on your Android. Once done, sign into the same Microsoft account on both devices so they can authenticate. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. These speed discovery and transfer. Tap the prompt on your phone to allow permissions for contacts, messages, and media. This initial pairing step establishes a secure bridge for the following setup. Next, you'll complete the connection by verifying the pairing code shown on Windows and your phone, confirm both match and accept. Then grant background operation and disable battery optimization for the link to Windows app so messages and notifications arrive reliably. Make sure message and photo access permissions are enabled. This lets you read texts and view images from your PC. Once those permissions are in place, the app will sync recent items. To finish, test the setup by sending an SMS or opening a photo from Your Phone app. You should see live notifications and call options. If something goes wrong, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then sign out and back into your Microsoft account on both devices to refresh tokens. Make sure the phone app isn't blocked by battery saver. As a key troubleshooting tip, restart both devices and reinstall the companion app if the link still won't establish. That often clears persistent pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.